So we are going.
Hi, Brittany.
We are going on our walk, and this is my oldest. Brittany, isn't she beautiful? She's going to college this weekend. Oh, I'm moving around. Anyways, we are on our walk, and we are talking about affirmations. And this girl, I'm telling you, is so wise. I am just like blown away. If I knew what she knew at 18 years old, my life, I can't even describe it. I mean, she's so wise, and I love her take on affirmations. And we were just sitting here talking about, her moving into college this weekend and the life ahead of her, and she can create anything that she can imagine. I was just talking to her about making a vision board. And okay, let's walk and talk. So I'm gonna have her explain. So she had a really good take on affirmations, and I'm gonna let her explain what'd you say, the snowball effect? And this is
Snowball effect.
This is so good. So we can actually, I want to say this really fast before you say that, is that a lot of times people think, okay, well, I'm going to start affirmations. I'm going to start saying affirmations, but they can actually attract back into their life more of things that they don't want. So there's a way that you say affirmations that can either attract into your life more of what you do want, and repel the things that you don't. Or you can actually continue to attract. I'm trying to put the camera on you too, but my arm is hurting because I've been working out. You can actually attract more things into your life that you don't want. So there's a trick to it. There's a little secret to it. So I'm gonna let our, hey, I know, she's so sweet. So great head on her shoulder. So here, get in the camera. You can hold it a little bit.
Hi.
Can you do this and walk?
I don't know what I look like right now.
You look beautiful. Hold it up a little
Okay.
bit. There you go. Talk about the snowball effect.
Well, I'm going to be a psychology major, so I already have a little bit of knowledge on this.
Just turn around there.
What?
It's loud over there.
Okay, so there's this thing called the snowball effect. And we all know what happens when you roll a snowball down a hill. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and then it just destroys everything. So, hi, puppy. Okay, so the snowball effect can work. The snowball effect can work both ways. You can have a negative snowball effect or a positive snowball effect. It's your choice. So let's say you want to lose weight, but looking in the mirror and calling yourself ugly isn't really going to do anything. It's just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And next thing you know, everything's going to go downhill and you're going to think you're like the ugliest person in the world. But if you look in the mirror each morning and say, I am beautiful, I am healthy, I am exactly where I'm supposed to be right now, it's going to get bigger and bigger. And next thing you know, you're going to be at the weight you want.
Yeah.
So
I love that. I love the snowball effect, because you were just saying like it's all like a snowball effect. Like we can have one little thought. Let's say that, maybe something doesn't work out exactly how we wanted it. And then we say, well, I knew that wouldn't work for me, or I knew that I wasn't that smart, or we start having the doubt, and then we have a little bit of doubt. And then maybe something else happens, and then that doubt gets bigger. And then we start, and it's like a snowball effect. So what we focus on expands.
So,
yes,
especially as women, these women out here, so our brains, the way we work, every single thing is wired. Our jobs, our relationships, our personal well-being, everything is connected in our heads. So if we talk negatively about one of them, everything is going to
ooh, that's
connect.
good.
So if we think that we're bad at our jobs, or if we think we're bad at making friends, next thing you know, we're gonna not only think that we are unhealthy as people, but that everything else around us is negative. So everything we see is going to be, because everything in our heads is wired. Men, not so much. It's in box. Their mind is boxes. But
sorry guys, but it's true.
Everything is connected.
Come on. I'm just saying, how many things can we? Okay, I don't want to do like a men bashing thing, but our brains are different, right? And that's okay to say that. Like women can multitask. We can be like,
psychologically proven that men can't multitask, but we can.
We're like have a baby on our hip, and we're cooking dinner, and we're thinking about this, and we're doing this, and we're replying to emails. Gosh, dang. Yeah. Guys are like, wait, what? What am I supposed to do? But it's not a male bashing. It's just saying, we love you guys. I love you, hubby. It's just saying our brains work different. But the one thing we were saying just a minute ago was we were talking about some things that you were wanting to come to fruition. And we were just saying, I hope that works.
I want this to happen.
And, I was like, wait,
I wish for.
I wish that this would happen. Oh, I'm gonna pray about this. God, I really want this. I really wish this would happen.
In my instance, it's finding a good guy in grades. I want good grades, right?
I know. Well, you're going to get good grades. I love it. And I was encouraging Brittany. I was like, because she's so great at all this stuff. But I said, you know, the best thing that you can do is say, I am, and a lot of you have heard me say this already, but I am so grateful and thankful that I'm getting, you know, amazing grades in college. I am so grateful and thankful that I found a great group of friends. Oh, here, get in the video a little bit. I am so grateful and thankful that my future husband is amazing and loving and kind. So, you know, it's something that sometimes we don't even realize we're doing, is we're saying, man, I hope this works out, or, ooh, I hope I get
and
this.
And then the snowball effect.
Right. And then I hope I get this market partner. I hope I get this, you know, client or whatever. And it's really important to step into that it's already happened and not only say it, but it's really invoking those feelings. Because when you're saying something like, I am so grateful and thankful that, you know, I just made my last payment on my credit card. I don't like to say debt free because it invokes the debt and the lack, but financially free. God, I am so grateful and thankful for this beautiful day, and that I am at a healthy weight. I choose to eat healthy. I enjoy eating healthy and working out. And I'm so grateful and thankful that I am receiving all of the business partners and customers that you have for me today. Just things like that, and stepping into that. And you know, if you think about that, how does that makes you feel totally different when you, gosh, my arms hurt. When you, oh, this bodybuilder.
I have no idea what I look like right now, so I apologize.
You look
beautiful. I am
See?
beautiful. I am beautiful.
See, we gotta catch ourselves, right? We gotta catch
ourselves. It happens. We're all human. I was gonna say something too.
Here, hold the other arm.
Other arm? Okay. No, this just hurts. This
the other way. Okay, that's okay.
Okay, so
I'll let you do it how you want.
Okay, so another thing about psychology, because you know, psychology is great. So our subconscious, if you didn't already know, does not know the difference between the past, the present, and the future. Our conscious does. Our subconscious does not know whether or not it's a memory, or if it's happening right now, or if it's going to happen in the future. So
that's very true.
So we can actually trick our brains. That's what affirmations do. They almost trick our brains into thinking that what we want has already happened. So we can tell ourselves. So I like to tell myself I'm a best-selling author. I say it every morning. I tell myself I inspire millions all over the world, and it's true, I haven't yet. I know, in a way, I'm nowhere close to that, but
here, let me hold it. So,
but you keep telling yourself that, and your subconscious begins to believe that that is happening, and so next thing you know, you are attracting that to your life. Because if you tell yourself all these things that maybe I'm not a best-selling author, but if I tell myself that, it's going to stay that way, because my subconscious is going to be like, well, you know, I guess
it's already happened. So it's making arrangements for everything else to
we be very careful on what we tell our minds, because our brains are like its own organism. Okay, so if you feed your brain the wrong things, it's gonna, you know, if you feed it dirt, it's gonna be dirt. But if you feed it, you know, light and positivity and water, and it's gonna just that's what it's gonna be.
Aww. So
it's like eating healthy. I mean, would you want to feed your brain unhealthy things if you wouldn't feed your body unhealthy things?
Exactly. But sometimes those French fries sound real good, you know. And sometimes you could put that with a thought. Sometimes we have a feeling like, I don't want to think positive, you know. I don't want to do affirmations.
My mom can tell you I'm like that all the time.
You're not like that all the time.
All the time.
Sometimes
I'm 18 years old.
She's 18.
I have my moment.
But we're all like that. Even if we're not 18, we have those days where we're like, you know what? I just don't feel like doing affirmations. I don't feel like looking on the bright side. I don't want to do that. And here's one thing I'll say as we wrap this up is that's okay. And just listen to your feelings. And what I like to do is just ask myself, why? Why am I feeling like this? What's coming up for me? Because any emotion like that is just your way of communicating with yourself. So just kind of dissect that. Why am I feeling like this? Why am I not really wanting to think more positive? Why am I feeling anxious? Why am I?
Because your ego is taking control.
Yes, why am I feeling depressed? Things like that. And just give yourself permission to have those feelings come up. And I would encourage, like, you know, I've talked to Brittany, get a journal and just start writing stuff out, getting it out, because the worst thing that we can do is say, man, there's something wrong with me. I should be thinking positive. I should be thinking better.
No,
The shoulds and the ultimatums just make it worse. So feel those feelings. It's okay. We all have those days, but then just know, I think the best thing is to know that you have power over your thought and you can choose what story you subscribe to. And that's the biggest thing. So, love you guys. Thanks for watching. We're going to finish our walk, and tomorrow we're going to have a shopping and pampering day, and then hacking, and then I move her in this weekend. Oh my gosh, my baby.
Adios, amigos.
My baby.
I'll be gone. No, I'm kidding. I'll only be 30 minutes away.
Oh, okay. It's very emotional. But anyways, I love you guys. I can't see all the comments. It's so bright out here. But
it's really bright, yeah.
Thanks for
I
watching.
agree.
Have an amazing day.
No, it's as bright as our future. Our future
that's
is
good,
full
Brittany.
of light and abundance, and never forget that. Never limit yourself to what you deserve. Or no, never limit yourself. Get what you deserve.
Yes.
Attract it. Yeah. I think I did that right.
You did it. You did amazing. I love it. I love it, sweetheart. Okay. Bye, guys. See you later.